I'm Dr. Deukmedjian here with one of my patients who underwent the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy for her shoulder. And it's been many years since she used her arm and shoulder normally. She came to the Deukmedjian Institute and she underwent the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy. This procedure is done with 4mm incisions and it's bloodless. There's no hospitalization needed. I went in and targeted the 4 pain nerves to the shoulder joint. She's an excellent candidate because she had arthritis of her shoulder joint. And how is your shoulder pain today, now that it's 2 weeks after your procedure?
I think it's almost gone, and now they tell me it's muscles.
But the shoulder pain that you had in here is?
It's gone.
It's gone. You heard it from her, gone. At Deuk Spine Institute, we have a proprietary treatment called the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy. We make a small incision, go in and destroy the pain nerves permanently to the joint, and that way you can enjoy life and not have joint pain.
I'm going to do some house cleaning and lots of gardening.
Can I ask you, why did you choose to do the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy?
I came with my broken neck. Somebody just said, how much do you hurt? Are you hurting? And I said, yes, I'm hurting. My left shoulder hurts. And they said, we have an answer. Just a few weeks later, I have no pain.
All right, well, if there's anything else you'd like to say about the Deukmedjian Institute to your viewers?
Everybody has been so friendly here. The lady at the desk when I walked up to sign in even knew who I was. So I said, you feel so comfortable here, and people are friendly and caring, and they won't let you go till you get your answers.